Hello and welcome to all my sweet little children. Now today we are making a snowman, a quick and easy snowman. So for this I need two pieces of white paper. One is 15 into 15 centimeters. The other is 7.5 into 7.5 centimeters. Now it's quite easy. So take the bigger piece of paper and fold it in half like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now the bottom corner comes to the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. Remember Zabuto Mori? So we are folding it like that. Zabuto Mori. Now do the same thing onto the other side. Now, this corner here, fold it in a bit. Not a lot, but maybe around until 2 centimeters. From this side, maybe about 1 centimeter in height. Now keep it aside. Now take this piece of paper and just fold a little bit into this, maybe like 1 centimeters on all 4 sides. But here this is a bit, the folded part is a bit bigger. And do the same thing on the other side, making a little sort of a slanted line. Now we are going to paste them together. Now apply some glue here and put it together. I've slanted the head a bit. Now going to draw the eyes, the nose and the mouth. Here we can draw a scarf. Now I'm going to draw the buttons. If you want, you can paste little circular bubbles or circular shapes as the buttons. Now remember, we made a Santa hat earlier in another video. We'll paste that onto his head. Now look at our snowman, which was easily made, right, using origami. So now, my little children, I know you have a lot of origami Christmas decorations. So we'll see you soon. Bye.